We're now headed out of Osaka. The main point of today is the fact that we had to buy a roller bag. That roller bag is full of shit we bought while on the trip. That roller bag was not with us this whole time. We only had our backpacks. So today we're gonna cover the journey of a roller bag traveling from Osaka to Tokyo. We're gonna see how difficult it is to carry this roller bag with us through the subway, on the Shinkansen, and all the way to our hotel in Tokyo versus just having our backpack. So wish us luck. Kylie was able to put her day pack into that bag as well, so she's down to just her backpack and the roller. Luckily that thing's only 30 liters, so it's not huge, but I imagine we're gonna have a few issues.
Oh boy.
I missed it on camera, but Kylie about yeeted this bag down the whole train. Pretty funny. So I think you just have to hold on to your baggage and it takes up space.
Passengers can transfer here to the Shinkansen and JR lines.
Kylie Mae is really putting her back into it. I think she's determined. Those were some stairs right there. Oh wait, I think we gotta go back down.
Are you for real?
Just kidding. Or you just give me one of the high chews. Maybe the mini high chews. All right. Now I'm in possession of the little demon. But we made it to the Shinkansen. So this little thing is actually probably gonna fit pretty well on the Shinkansen. It's only the big bags that don't fit that well. So we just have to worry about putting it in front of us. If you have a big bag, you actually have to put it in a specific area, but we're not gonna have to worry about that. This one's small enough that it's not gonna be a problem. After a little delay, I'm chilling in the station. We got about 20 minutes until our train comes. Luckily this time, luckily this time the train is actually starting in Osaka, so we're not gonna have to hop on in 20 seconds before it takes off again. Next up, Shinkansen to Tokyo. So yeah, this bag's 30 liter and fits. Yeah, fits pretty perfectly.
Yeah.
If it's any bigger, I mean, yeah.
It's like, yeah.
You could put it up top, but luckily it fits.
Yeah.
Down here. Some of these other bags up here.
That one is gonna fall on his head.
I don't know if they'll let him keep it like that.
There's no way.
We're able to sit here with it under our feet.
Yep.
And it's gonna be fine.
Yay.
On to Tokyo. We'll see how we're able to get to our hotel with that bag.
Yeah.
Just got off the Shinkansen in Tokyo Station. Now we just gotta complete the final task, which is the metro and the walk to our hotel. So hasn't been too bad so far, and luckily our luggage is light. Right here, there's an exit, but there is no escalator, so Kylie has gone a different way. Down here, there's an escalator. The only main difference is if you have luggage, you kind of have to look for different types of exits. Whereas with backpacks, you can just go wherever you feel like, because you don't have to worry about it. So like this escalator says no big luggage, which I think just means bigger rollers. This is considered a small roller. Now down here, again, you gotta get back in line for the escalator. That's right, we gotta stand on the left side now. When we were in Osaka, I really wasn't sure where to stand on the escalators. It never made sense. Alright, Marunouchi line. Here we go. Tokyo Station is no joke. No. Okay, so we go down. I think we go down. Yeah. And yeah, Tokyo Station is not fun. A lot of people say to stay here, or near here, but if you gotta go through this every day, this is wild. If you stay in near Tokyo Station and you use it every day for transit, this is the kind of shit you're gonna have to deal with. Oh my, we gotta scan in again. So yeah, Google Maps gives you the train card to actually get on for the fastest exit, but with the luggage you got to carry up the stairs. It may not be the exit you can take if you don't want to carry your luggage upstairs.
True.
If you want an elevator, it's going to be a specific exit, but it should show you on the train where the exit is going to be with an escalator or an elevator.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Super nice.
Not terrible though, but how is carrying it?
No, it's fine. I mean, it's obviously like an extra thing you have to worry about.
But if it was like super heavy.
If it was bigger than this, no.
Made it to the last subway station. Now we just need to get out. I'm already sweating because it's hot as hell in this subway station. And then the last one has a escalator. We made it back to Osaka, and this is the last bit of our journey to Tokyo, and the bag made it. Really isn't too bad as long as you plan ahead and know that you're gonna have to do a little extra work. So it's really not too bad getting through Japan with a smaller bag. If you have a huge bag, you can see how it's more difficult to travel. If you have a backpack, it's obviously easier. You can use whatever staircase you want. You can go wherever you want with a backpack. But with a small roller, it's not much harder. Now on this journey today, we did get lucky with having a lot of escalators, and some of the other places we stayed, there were stairs only or elevators at exits you didn't want to go up. So this journey today was a lot easier. Hope you liked the video and it gave you a little bit of an insight of what it's like to have a roller bag on a trip in Tokyo. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.